Today's video is all about skills. So skills in Fractal Video Shufflr essentially is how you control the AI video editor. So whenever you click create with AI, then you'll open up the video creator. Then of course it will open up the AI video editor configuration. So just you can pick whatever story you want, but this video again is all about the skills section, which is step 3 here. So skills are very, very simple. It is essentially how you control what the final video is going to look like. So if you want the video to look very simple, basic, just cuts, nothing extra, no motion graphics or anything like that, then you can just use the basic B-roll storytelling skill. So this is going to select all of the skills that you need, and you don't need to do anything, just click create and it'll create the very basic video, 13 minutes, very simple. Alternatively, you can also do A-roll, and this will select the A-roll presets, and this will allow for you to create a talking avatar. So you see a lot of videos where it's just like a cartoon character avatar that's just talking. You can do that with this skill set. And then of course you can use local clips, and so this skill set is for adding in your own files. The AI editor will recognize your own files, it'll recognize the tags you set up, it'll use your library, stuff like that. So this is for the local workflow. So you already got 3 basic workflows that you can use right here, and then of course you have the AI specific workflows. So you can do an AI slideshow, which is just all images, no video. And then of course you can do a video, which is going to be all video, and it's going to be all AI generated. And as of course you won't have to do anything, it'll all be automatic. So these are the 5 default skill sets that Fractal Video Shufflr offers. This is how you can quickly make videos without doing anything. Just come in here, click your skill set, create video, and you're good to go. And your final output, you can import it into another, you can export it out of Fractal Video Shufflr and import it into another video editor, or you can use the timeline editor here and export it and upload it straight to YouTube. So this is kind of how the skills work. This is the basic selection, but of course these are all just presets. So if you wanted to edit the B-roll and make your video look more advanced, you can always go to configure skills, and so this will open up the advanced editor for the advanced AI configuration. So as you can see, it's just fine-tuning how the editor will build your video. So right now you will see what is automatically selected when you do B-roll. So these are the B-roll skills that make up that skill set. So when you're doing B-roll, you'll be sourcing videos and doing these different things in the background. So you can always come in here and edit these and change the values to what you want to make your video look different, and how you want the video to look. And of course, each of these settings you can go into and you can edit how the AI editor will do those different tasks. So this is very helpful to make sure that you're making videos the way that you want them to look, and not just how the AI wants it to look. So there are many skills. I think we have over 50 skills already, and you can just come through here and add and deselect what you want. So like if you want background music in your final video, you can do that. If you want subtitles in your final video, you can do that. And then of course you can edit how you want those subtitles to look and where you want them to be. So yeah, you can come in here and you can select the different skills that you want. And then of course we also have diamond only skills. So this would use AI to do different generations. So if you wanted to do those, you would have to have a diamond plan, but everything else is all platinum only. Then of course we have our recipes, and this will allow for you to easily add in very specific style of video editing. So for example, the editorial documentary, this will make Johnny Harris style videos, Vox-Style videos, using a bunch of motion graphics and different types of edits. So this is like a very high edited video. So like if you wanted to configure something that's super edited, that looks very professional, this one will be used. And then this will select the skills under the hood. But if you don't want to choose like a grouping like that, of course you can look at the other recipes, and these are kind of like the simple different types of scenes that the AI editor will add into your video, into your overall video, so that you can mix it up and make it look very unique. And then of course, after you've clicked your different presets, you can always click save and name your preset whatever you want. And then it'll show up, for example, let's just name this test. And before we leave out of here, of course, you also have the shock map. So every time a script is written, we always generate this. So that's also there if you wanted to review it. But yeah, now that I have added that test, you'll see it right here. So this is the new skill configuration set we just configured and then saved. So if you ever wanted to use that, you can just click it here and then create video. So that is skills in a nutshell. Again, coming in to create with AI and selecting those skills, you can save that preset and it'll show up here, and you can use it for the future. Or you can use one of the default presets that are very basic and will create a very basic video for you. So that is the skills, and we allow for you to edit your skills inside of the Create with AI. But if you also have Platinum, then you will notice that you can do the same thing inside of the channels dashboard. So when you open up the channels dashboard, you'll probably be on the personal tab. Just open up production and then configure. And so when you're configuring a channel, each channel also has its own video settings. And so you can scroll down and you'll see that the editor also can have different skills. So it's going to be, of course, based off of what preset you choose. And so you'll have different skills that you'll have to configure, just like inside of the video creator. So if you open up the advanced configuration, then you'll also see the same exact, or you should see the same exact dialog box that you see inside of the video creator. And so yeah, that's essentially how you would edit your skills inside of your automations for your channel, or of course inside of the video creator whenever you create a project, and then go to Create with AI, go into the skills step, and yes, those are skills. If you have any questions about how skills work, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like on this video so I know this is the type of videos you want to see. And yeah, just let me know if you've been using the app in the comments, and I will see you all next time. And I really appreciate you for making it to the end of this video. Peace out.